Good afternoon, students. Welcoming all the 6th standard students for the science class. Today, I'm not going to teach the lesson. We are going to write only the notes. Before that, I want to recap the lesson. The title of the lesson is Health and Hygiene. Under this lesson, we learn about health, hygiene, components of food. Under that, carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, and water. We learn about the sources, the functions, and the deficiency diseases. Next unit, we learn about health and nutrients. Under this, we learn balanced diet, food pyramid, malnutrition, deficiency diseases. Then we learn about physical exercise and rest. Then we learn about the introduction of microbes. Particularly, we learn about bacteria and virus. Today, we are going to write the notes. All of you write it neatly in your science notebook. Roman number 1, answer the following. First question, what are the components of food? Answer, components of food are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and water. Once again, what are the components of food? Answer, components of food are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and water. Second question, write 2 examples for each of the following. Food items rich in fat, vitamin deficiency diseases. Answer, food items rich in fat, meat, fish, egg yolk, and milk. Vitamin deficiency diseases, night blindness, beriberi, scurvy, rickets. I'll repeat the question and answer once again. Write 2 examples for each of the following. Food items rich in fat, vitamin deficiency diseases. Answer, food items rich in fat, meat, fish, egg yolk, milk. Vitamin deficiency diseases, night blindness, beriberi, scurvy, rickets. Once again, vitamin deficiency diseases, night blindness, beriberi, scurvy, rickets. Third question, differentiate between carbohydrate and protein. First, I'll read carbohydrate, energy giving component of the food. The sources of carbohydrate are nuts, fruits, rice, and maize. Protein, it is bodybuilding food. The sources of protein are pulses, soybean, nuts, egg, and fish. Repeat, differentiate between carbohydrate and protein. Carbohydrate, energy giving component of the food. The sources of carbohydrate are nuts, fruits, rice, and maize. Protein, it is bodybuilding food. The sources of protein are pulses, soybean, nuts, egg, and fish. Fourth one, define the term balanced diet. Term means word. Answer, a diet which contains sufficient amount of various nutrients to ensure good health is called as balanced diet. Once again, define the term balanced diet. Answer, a diet which contains sufficient amount of various nutrients to ensure good health is called as balanced diet. Fifth question, why should the fruits and vegetables not to be washed after cutting? Answer, we should not wash the fruits and vegetables after cutting because the minerals and proteins in the fruits and vegetables will also be washed away. Once again, why should the fruits and vegetables not to be washed after cutting? Answer, we should not wash the fruits and vegetables after cutting because the minerals and proteins in the fruits and vegetables will also be washed away. Sixth question, write few viral diseases. Answer, common cold, influenza, hepatitis, polio, smallpox, chickenpox, measles, corona, etc. Right? Few viral diseases. Answer: common cold, influenza, hepatitis, polio, smallpox, chickenpox, measles, corona, etc. The last question: what is the main feature of a microorganism? Answer: a microorganism is very small in size. It will be seen with the help of microscope. What is the main feature of a microorganism? A microorganism is very small in size. It will be seen with the help of microscope. Roman number 2. Answer in detail. Tabulate the vitamins and their corresponding deficiency diseases. Vitamin A, night blindness. Vitamin B, beriberi. Vitamin C, scurvy. Vitamin D, rickets. Vitamin E, nervous weakness and sterility. Vitamin K, weakness of the bones and teeth. I'll read once again. Tabulate the vitamins and their corresponding deficiency diseases. Vitamin A, night blindness. Vitamin B, beriberi. Vitamin C, scurvy. Vitamin D, rickets. Vitamin E, nervous weakness, sterility. Vitamin K, weakness of bones and teeth. Roman number 3, diagram, food pyramid. Look at the slide and draw it neatly by using only pencil. Next diagram, two examples for sources of carbohydrates: carrot, milk. Next one, two examples of sources of protein, that is fish, peas. Next one, two examples for sources of minerals: cheese, eggs. That's all this lesson. Once again, I am repeat. Copy the notes in science notebook. Use pencil to draw diagrams. Write legibly and neatly. Use black pen for writing questions and blue pen for answers. Thank you, students.